Hi, my name is Pranjal Verma, and we have with us the most important lady, Indu Jaiswal, the chairperson of Indian American Forum. I mean, this has been a successful event. Tell me about it. What inspired you to be part of this wonderful, wonderful thing for women?
Uh, well, the inspiration of doing this program is the Women's History Month. March is Women's History Month, and we want to really encourage and celebrate and showcase the achievements of the women in our community, which is very important to us. So we thought of started doing this program 5 years ago, and it's grown very big. And you see from our honorees that we had today, we do nominate our honorees from different areas. It's not limited to one section. And it actually shows, brings out, to bring to the community, a lot of women are there working and they don't even know how important they are. So a lot of people told me, Indu, this is just their job. I said, no, this is an accomplishment, especially in this country. Again, I always say we are immigrant population. And for us to be here, to get a director's position, look at our honorees today. Successful entrepreneurs, businessmen, social, cultural, Sunita, Dr. Manu Chadha. Where would you see these women with such big, positions? So our people have to know. I know that I'm bragging about them, but it's important to celebrate their achievements. And that's what we are here all about.
Very good, wonderful. And any message, because like you said, it's an International Women's Month. Any message for the women out there who would like to do something, what you've been doing for the society?
Well, all I can say is follow your passion, follow your heart. And I always say sky is the limit. And I'm a dietitian actually by profession.
Very good.
So I have been, even as I was working, I was doing a lot of health fairs, a lot of, TV and radio programs. I had the TV shows just on my own because I wanted to help the people. And that's what the passion is. And that's when you have the passion, it grows. So that's what it is.
Well, thank you so much for speaking with us, and we wish you all the best. Thank you.